Home remedies for pilonidal cysts. Large pimple at bottom of tailbone. Pilonidal cysts are a type of chronic skin infection that occurs in the region of the buttocks crease. The cysts develop as a reaction to ingrown hairs or hairs embedded in the skin. Initially, there will be just a small, dimple-like depression on the surface of the skin. However, once infected, the depression becomes a swollen mass. It can be a closed sac filled with fluid or an abscess where pus collects. Other signs and symptoms include pain and discomfort when sitting or standing, inflamed skin, drainage of pus or blood from an opening in the skin, and a bad smell from the pus. If the infection is severe, there may also be symptoms of fever, malaise or nausea. Mild cases of pilonidal cysts resolve naturally and require little treatment. However, in some cases, prolonged treatment as well as surgery may be needed to reduce the size of the cysts and prevent infection. Here are the top 5 home remedies for pilonidal cysts. 1. Warm compresses to get relief from the severe pain. Applying warm compresses to the affected area is very effective. A warm compress also will help the fluid and pus accumulated within the cysts to drain quickly and the healing process will begin. However, warm compresses will not prevent the growth of pilonidal cysts. Alternatively, you can take a hot sitz bath or rinse the area with warm water for a few minutes. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is another very effective remedy for this painful problem. This oil has healing and curative powers in the form of antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, which can keep an infection at bay. Plus, as the oil penetrates deep into the skin, it promotes faster healing. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Using apple cider vinegar can also help treat pilonidal cysts. Its anti-inflammatory property helps reduce pain and inflammation. In addition, the antiseptic and antibacterial nature of apple cider vinegar prevents bacterial growth that can trigger further infection and delay the healing process. 4. Epsom salt. Epsom salt can provide relief from the agony of a pilonidal cyst. It has several healing properties that will help reduce and heal the cyst very quickly. The magnesium sulfate in it can aid the expulsion of pus from the cyst. It will also relieve associated pain and inflammation. 5. Castor oil. Castor oil has high anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve pain and reduce inflammation associated with pilonidal cysts. It will also promote faster healing.